Hey, over here.
Here it comes.
There.
The long wheels.
Whoa. Nice.
Autobots transform.
Crispy. Crispiness.
One more.
One more.
What's up, fellas? What's up? Okay. So today we are going to unbox the most awaited TRX G6 6x6. Of course, this is for Larry. He'll do the honor to unbox the beast.
I will just say, I waited a whole week without opening this thing.
Right.
It killed me. It killed me. But now, this is the moment. Let's get to it.
This is the moment of truth. Moment of truth.
Here we go.
Oh my God, the seal is broken.
This will be the first.
Yeah, guys, take note. This is the first G6 Bendz and UAE. Again, Larry made the history.
First in UAE. My God! I'm already drooling, man! I'm drooling already, man!
Where's the tissue? I think Larry's crying.
Here we go. All good?
Yeah.
If you can assist.
Okay.
Next level.
Okay, press on. It's ready. Where's all the tape?
Where's the scalpel?
From this side.
Okay. I'm gonna take it from here.
Take it from here. Do the honor.
Do the honor.
Come on.
Hey, over here.
Here it comes.
There.
There you have it.
Hey, where's the
There you have
remote?
it, gentlemen.
Where's the remote?
No remote.
What?
Hey, why not?
I'm sure it's in there.
No, even there in the box.
No.
It's got to be. It's on this side.
Oh, come on, man. Man, come on.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Basically, we have the TRX G6 Bendz here, 6x6.
Black.
Okay, black edition. So,
Sexy.
as most of us are wondering what it looks like, okay, basically this is a typical remote for
TRX4,
TRX4. So
TRX6.
it got
Manual, some tools, the basic tools.
Yep.
Same stuff that you always get.
Let's unwrap this, man.
Now let's listen to the nice sound of a wrap.
ASMR.
Well, at first I thought it's a silver one, but you choose the black one, right?
There you
My
are.
favorite.
Wow. The long wheels.
Whoa. Nice.
Autobots transform.
Crispy. Crispiness.
One more.
One more. There's another one. There's more. Assist, brother.
Look at that.
Oh, it's a bit hard.
Yeah, use the scalpel.
Where's the blade?
Thanks, you.
Yeah, boy.
Now everyone is quiet, huh? Everyone is quiet.
Amazing truck. Wait.
6.
Oh, it's ready. The lights are set up already.
The power module for the lights. Yes.
Okay, guys.
Power it up.
Here it is, man.
Power it up.
You still have the XL5. What's the rest? It's just like pretty much the same with the TRX4. So everything is
Only
the same.
difference is you have a lot more rock lights. So
Rock lights,
once
yeah.
once
Yeah.
the kit is introduced, I'll put those on here also.
Wow.
Mercedes rims, nice pattern tires.
Oh, the shock is a bit stiff, huh?
Nice compound on the tires, very soft, so they should get a lot of grip.
Everyone in
Yes.
rooms.
Yes.
Yeah.
What do they got here? They got a 21 turn, 550 size motor.
Oh yes,
Oh, you got the lights here.
Yeah.
Light kits is already installed.
Here's the
And
power
there's a
supply.
light
Yes.
underneath.
Oh, awesome. Great.
There's a light kit already.
Yeah, here.
Whoa,
Yeah.
great.
Yes.
Just a little bit of modification for it.
Yes.
So it comes with lights.
Amazing.
Amazing.
6x6.
And the rear
Locking
lamp
diffs?
will be
Yeah.
on this servo, both of them. Yep.
One servo for the two.
The exhaust is amazing on this. Wow. Skid plates. Everyone's complaining about the skid plates because it might catch rocks in the back. That might be a problem. So a smooth skid plate, but for now, this will work.
Yeah.
Until we decide to change it. Vacuum cleaner will get the wheels clean, not a problem. Nice suspension.
Nice.
Surprise to this.
Congratulations.
Thank you, brother.
Thanks for the experience, man.
Right on, brother.
I think we need to power up this thing.
We need to power
Yes,
it.
yes, yes. Can't wait.
And
Who
we power
has,
up
who
this thing.
has a Traxxas battery?
No.
I need a car.
Yeah.
But guess what? But wait, there's more. I have
A second one?
I already knew that this was going to be a TRX connector. So I went to the hobby shop here and I had them make me an adapter for a Dean's connector so we can power it up and let you see how it works.
You're not ready.
Sounds good to me.
You are not ready. You are
You're
not
not ready, huh?
Man, he waits for how many days?
1 week.
1 week.
It's been a week, man, since the box came.
This is nice.
What is access? Have you put it down?
Godzilla. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh.
There you go.
The sound of music.
The lights.
Now let's hook up the lights.
Yes.
I think it just goes in here.
To the honor here.
I'm not sure which one. Doesn't matter.
Goes this part.
Okay, bring it closer, bring it closer.
Sure, sure.
It's black. We'll see if it works. In
Light on, light on.
Ah, it feels Christmas with the lights, huh?
Hang on a second, guys. Hang on a second.
Sweet.
Kabayan Cruise Mag-ingay!
I like the lights, man.
Wow, amazing.
That is cool.
The design is from Bronco, I think.
Good thing about this is the light is
All functional.
Yeah.
No dead on arrival lights. Perfect. They're super bright. Oh, they are amazing.
Wow. Can't wait to see this one in the trail. Oh. Okay, get that.
There's no crawling the trail yet.
here also.
You should apply like a nano coating. Like
Pag lumiko.
Yeah.
Nanotech.
Tin World does it.
Yeah, Tin World, yes. I have a friend there, by the way.
Yes?
This is supervisory.
Really?
Ah! Sounds good, right?
Sounds very good.
Very good, yes.
Because they tinted my truck.
Ah, okay. V8. Look for Ace.
The scale is amazing.
Detail itself, like it's literally licensed.
Officially licensed AMG body.
Yeah.
So finally, the TRX G6 Bendz 6x6 is here in UAE. Let's congratulate Larry for this.
Sorry.
My only question is, who will get the silver one?
Oh. Probably.
I think both.
I Ate Jaja.
Probably.
Jaja.
Don't mention it, guys, man. We're happy.
Jaja.
We're happy for Larry, man.
Narinig mo na. Narinig mo na.
The silver part 2.
Yes.
We're happy for Larry. So let's
I just want to say, everybody, thank you for coming.
Alright.
We did the unboxing. It's amazing, just like in the videos it said it was.
Yeah.
Guys came from Abu Dhabi.
So let's see.
Dubai.
Yeah.
But now the most important thing,
Yeah.
crispy pata.
Okay, guys, let's see if this thing works. Okay?
I think we're seeing the trail.
See you on the trail.
Pulling the trail.
We'll see you on the trails.
See you in the trail.
Amazing.
Nice.
But here you get to be careful, especially with the bike.
Yeah. See you on the trail. Yeah, boy.
So, see you next video po.
Ay, Dubai ba?
But guess what?